Didn't that happen in the bank or?
Didn't got hit for $28. He got hit. His brother has gotten one of the vendors has given him a tip. So he says, look, you know Debbie go. Yeah, you never said anything, you know. So you and Debbie go to commercial. You ever see the Geico commercial where the guy goes for the traffic? The thing we used to get rid we would have customers who had it for 20 years.
They're like, look, I can hear you. We're all going to get fiberglass. They're like, you know, they're like having a secret that up the mirror. Come on. Bring it to me where it says you drop it. Oh, it's funny. I don't even know what you're going to do today. I'll see you later. I mean, the worst case we could do is I'm giving $5 to the place. Good luck.
Put over from that.
No, no, it's not. $1,000 a week. But that's so good. The furniture, damage, I call the company. It's very good for the company. Yes, we're sorry, but they don't use our trucks, and it's their own private carrier.